Sometimes life feels complicated. But for every complicated situation, there's a couple of useful life hacks. Fall won't be so boring with cute bead jewelry. But I don't have the patience to deal with these tiny beads. To speed up the process, take some tape. Cut off a piece of tape and wrap the reel with its sticky side out. Secure it. Roll the bobbin on the plate to catch the beads on the Scotch tape and collect the beads. Now they are not going anywhere. All you have to do is figure out the details of the jewelry. Any ideas? There is so much useful stuff you can make from an old plastic bottle. For example, cut the bottleneck with a utility knife. Cut zigzags on the edge with scissors. Shall we try it? Take a bell pepper and insert the sharp edges in the body. Voila! Take out the tail and the inside. It is much easier than using a knife, isn't it? Ooh, a new pair of socks? They are so cute! I just need to cut off the thread. Where are my scissors? You won't need scissors if there is a hook on the pack. Take off the hook and insert the plastic tail under the thread. Turn the hook around itself. A couple of turns and the thread is gone. Did you know about this life hack? Let us know in the comments. Oh no! I forgot to go to the grocery store again. Now I will have to get toothpaste from an almost empty tube. Come on, just one drop? Nope, it's not working. This one's a real head scratcher. Oh, here's an idea, a bobby pin. Put it in the lower part of the tube and drive it to the very top. Squeeze the toothpaste out. It's easy, but don't forget to buy a new one anyway. The drawer under the sink is more like a kingdom of chaos. What's the problem? The more cleaning products you have, the less organized it is. Stop getting mad over nothing. Take a folder for papers. Glue strips of double-sided foam tape to one of the sides. Glue the organizer to the door. Put in bottles of cleaning products. Glue as many folders as you need. You can relax now. Ha! Everything is so organized. I'm in nirvana. As soon as you tie your laces, they get untied again. So where is the most important part of the lace? How do I get it into the hole without the tip? Okay, don't panic. Take the laces out. Wrap the end without the tip with tape and string a straw on it. Cut off the excess and seal the plastic with a lighter. Do you like this lace upgrade? You can choose the color of the tips to suit your mood. And now take a plastic bottle. Cut the bottleneck to the shape of a scoop. Make a cutout in the bigger part. Put the bottleneck on the tap. Put a sponge inside and remove the cap. How convenient! I want to show this off. I'll hang it right here. Or here. Or maybe here. The place is set. Mark it. Hammer and a nail. Ouch! I said a nail, not your finger. Nope, this mission is impossible. I need to erase the mark. Or not. Cut an eraser on a pencil. Insert the nail in the hole. Hold the pencil and hammer the nail. The fingers are safe and the painting is in place. Great work! Looking in the mirror before going out is a necessary ritual. My hair looks fine, my makeup is nice, but what's this? What's going on? What do I do? Don't panic. Take out the earring and carefully fix the loop using the earring back. There we go. Now hurry up, you're running late. Do you buy food in metal cans? Don't just throw away the lids. They seem useless, but they might come in handy. Fold it in half. Bend the loop outwards. So, why did we bend it? to watch a new video on your favorite channel. And now you have a great phone stand. These ribbons are so tricky. Their life is a very tangled story. To keep them in order, you are going to need Tic-Tac boxes. Wind the ribbon on your fingers. Put the spiral in the box. Close it with the cap and leave the tail free. No more confusion. Each color has its own box. The recipe says to separate the whites from the yolks. Ugh, nothing is working. A funnel is coming to the rescue. Put the funnel on a clean glass. Crack an egg into it. The egg white slowly flows through the funnel, and the yolk stays on top. Cooking is so easy! Are you always sorry to throw away plastic egg trays? You can use them instead of ice molds. Pour water in the cells. Close the tray and put it in the freezer. Take out the ice cubes when they are ready. Ice cubes will always come in handy, whether it's for cooling your drinks or rubbing your face. Dirt found a cozy home behind the tap. I have bad news for you. It's time to go. Apply foam on the stains. And now put a balloon with a hole in the bottom on the tap. Turn the water and direct it towards the dirt. Squeaky clean! For this idea, take a piece of cardboard and wooden sticks. Hot glue the sticks to the cardboard. Take plastic containers with the lids. Secure the lid first, and then glue the transparent container to it. The more containers, the more convenient it will be. Watch out, I'm about to tidy up. Fill the cells with things you use for sewing. Rhinestones, buttons, pins, clips, thread, and other useful stuff. It's not just an organizer, but also a real treasure for an artist. And everything you need is always on hand. Ugh! Toilet! Stop being so smelly! Shame on you! We'll tell you how to remove it. Prepare a bowl and several molds. You are going to need 4 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and citric acid, and a spoonful of dishwashing liquid. Pour the powders in one bowl. Add dish detergent. Mix it up. Add multicolored glitter to the mix. Put it in the molds. Add some pine oil and dye in the middle. Press it and wait until it takes the shape. Throw the cubes in water. And look at all those colors! The smell is so much better! And it's sparkly too, like magic! For the next idea, take wine corks. Cut them in half. Make an incision in the center. Place the corks with the cuts down. Now you have comfortable stands for your favorite drawings and pictures. And no frames needed. Pencils are a brilliant invention. If only the eraser didn't run out so quickly. Oops, these don't even have that function. How do I erase this now? Easy, if you have a regular rubber band with you. Wind it around your finger and use it instead of an eraser. So simple and not a trace of the mistake. If it wasn't so difficult to fill the buckets, cleaning would be a lot more fun. This is like a wet jeans contest. Stop stressing yourself out. Take a plastic bottle. Cut out a small window in the lower part. Insert the tap into it and direct the bottleneck towards the bucket. It is filling up so easily. I could watch it forever. Did you like our everyday life hacks? Which one do you think is the most useful? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss the brightest ideas for life from Troom Select.